Hi, I am Merk Tochwil. Currently, I am a researcher at the University of Luxembourg. Today, I am presenting a project that we work on within the European Personalized Medicine Center of Excellence Consortium, together with our colleagues from Düsseldorf University and the nutrition researchers from Neum Company. The project on the poster around here is called COBREXA.jl for constraint-based reconstruction of metabolism models and EXa-scale analysis of the results. As the main motivation for the project, there is a vast amount of metabolic models available from biological research, but the available tooling did not allow us to analyze these in a way that we would really like. In particular, for personalized medicine purposes, we needed to analyze tens of thousands of variants of each model, such as ones modified by gene knockouts or drug activity. And this gets computational very demanding, so we built COBREXA to simplify the task of making this run on the HPC infrastructure that is now commonly available for the researchers. The result now really helps us to explore the metabolic properties of many different organisms. Our work is also simplified by nice integration with many other tools in Julia ecosystem, mainly the JUMP compatible solvers and many IO libraries. If you like the picture on the poster, you can very easily try to evaluate the metabolism of some organism yourself. There are many models available. COBREXA can be already downloaded from the official Julia repositories, and we have actually put a lot of effort into documenting the common use cases so that the science folk can benefit from the HPC easily. That's everything from me now. Enjoy the poster session. Let us know if you have any questions. We are looking forward to all the discussion on JuliaCon.